Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're redoing something truly magical. We're going to capture the beauty of nature and light it up. That's right, we're making a stunning epoxy resin lamp filled with gorgeous dried flowers. Imagine having a piece of a secret garden glowing right on your knit stand. It's easier than you think, and the result is absolutely breathtaking. We'll start by carefully arranging our delicate flowers inside the mold, creating our own little floral world. Then, we'll mix and pour the crystal clear epoxy resin, making sure every petal is perfectly preserved. The most exciting part is the reveal when we demold it and switch on the light for the first time. It's pure magic. If you love creative DIY projects that add a personal touch to your space, you're going to love this. Stick around and let's create something beautiful together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more enchanting ideas.